Welcome to Globe Guide TV, where we explore the world one city at a time. Today we embark on an exciting journey through the heart of Italy, a country that exudes romance, history, and a zest for life. We'll wander through 25 of Italy's most captivating places, from quaint cobblestone streets to awe-inspiring architecture, from world-renowned cuisine to the hidden gems that make this country so special. Each destination holds a unique story, a tale waiting to be discovered and savored. So if you're keen on immersing yourself in the allure that is Italy, this is the perfect guide for you. Don't forget to show your support by giving this video a like, subscribing to our channel, and sharing the content with others who share your passion for travel. We appreciate your love and support as we continue to bring you the best of the globe. Without further ado, let's dive into the beauty of Italy. We start our journey in the heart of Italy, Rome. Rome, the Eternal City, is a sprawling, cosmopolitan metropolis brimming with life and culture. Imagine walking down cobbled streets, tracing the steps of ancient Romans at the Colosseum, or making a wish at the Trevi Fountain. Rome is a city where history lives and breathes, a place where you can taste the finest of Italian cuisine and find yourself lost in a world of timeless art and culture. Next, we venture to the cradle of the Renaissance, Florence. This Tuscan city is a feast for the senses, with its stunning architecture and vibrant art scene. Stroll through the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces from the likes of Michelangelo and Botticelli. Don't forget to pay a visit to the iconic Duomo, its red-tiled dome dominating the city's skyline. Florence is a city where every corner holds a piece of history, a story waiting to be discovered. From Florence we journey to the enchanting city of Venice. Known for its beautiful canals and ornate gondolas, Venice is a city that seems to float on water. Wander through narrow alleys, cross countless bridges, and marvel at the grandeur of St. Mark's Square. Venice is a city of romance and mystery, a place where time seems to stand still. Next we head to the fashion capital of the world, Milan. This city is a blend of old and new, where sleek skyscrapers stand beside historic landmarks. Visit the stunning Milan Cathedral or catch an opera at La Scala. Milan is a city that buzzes with energy, a place where style and sophistication are part of everyday life. Finally, we explore the vibrant city of Naples. Known for its rich history, chaotic streets, and the birthplace of pizza, Naples is a city that's full of character. Climb up to the Castel Sant'Elmo for a panoramic view of the city, or explore the ancient ruins of Pompeii located nearby. Naples is a city that always surprises, a place where the spirit of Italy truly comes alive. From the canals of Venice to the stylish streets of Milan, Italy is a treasure chest of experiences. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves in the Tuscan region, a place where history, art, and Italian tradition all converge to create a kaleidoscope of vibrant experiences. First, we venture into Pisa, a city renowned for its iconic Leaning Tower. But Pisa is more than just its architectural quirks. The city is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and academic culture with its prestigious University of Pisa. It's a place where the past and present converge, where you can stroll along the Arno River and feel the pulse of Italian life. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Siena, a city that seems untouched by time. Siena is a medieval masterpiece where narrow, winding streets open up to the Grand Piazza del Campo. The city's unique horse racing event, the Palio, is a sight to behold, as 10 riders compete in a thrilling bareback race around the square. Lucca then welcomes us with its well-preserved Renaissance walls. These formidable structures now serve as a pedestrian promenade, offering a unique and charming way to explore the city. Lucca is also the birthplace of Puccini, the famed composer, and his influence can be felt in the city's rich musical culture. Our journey takes us next to the hilltop town of San Gimignano. Known as the Manhattan of the Middle Ages, its skyline is punctuated by 14 medieval towers. The town is also famous for its Vernaccia white wine, a perfect companion as you watch the sun set over the Tuscan hills. Finally, we arrive in Montepulciano, a town synonymous with fine wine and Renaissance architecture. Its Vino Nobile is celebrated worldwide, and the town's steep streets and grand palazzos are a testament to its illustrious past. Tuscany's charm is undeniable, with its rolling hills, medieval towns, and world-class wines. Each town we visited offers a unique piece of this enchanting Italian puzzle, leaving us with memories that will last a lifetime. Leaving Tuscany behind, we head south to the stunning Amalfi Coast. Our journey takes us first to the namesake town of Amalfi. Nestled in the cliffs, it's a town where the mountains meet the sea, creating an extraordinary landscape. Here, you'll find the spectacular Cathedral of St. Andrew, a testament to the town's rich history and religious significance. Next, we venture to Positano, the jewel of the coast. With its colorful houses cascading down the cliffs to the water's edge, Positano is a sight to behold. The town is known for its pebbly beaches, which are perfect for soaking up the sun. And don't forget to visit the Church of Santa Maria Assunta, a remarkable example of medieval architecture. Just up the road we find Ravello, a town perched high above the sea. Famous for its enchanting gardens, Ravello offers panoramic views of the coast that are truly unparalleled. The Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbrone are must-sees with their lush gardens and breathtaking vistas. Our journey continues to the island of Capri. Known for its rugged landscape, upscale hotels, and high-end shopping, Capri is a playground for the rich and famous. Yet it's the island's natural beauty that truly steals the show. The Blue Grotto, a sea cave filled with an ethereal blue light, is an unforgettable sight. Last but not least, we stop in Sorrento, a coastal town that serves as a gateway to the Amalfi Coast. Here you can stroll through the Piazza Tasso, visit the historic Cathedral of Sorrento, or simply enjoy a leisurely meal at one of the many seaside restaurants. The Amalfi Coast truly is a slice of paradise, with its breathtaking views, colorful houses, and crystal-clear waters. Each town has its own unique charm and attractions, making this region a must-visit for any traveler. Our journey takes us next to the lesser-known but equally enchanting regions of Italy. Let's begin with Bologna, the food-loving capital of the Emilia-Romagna region. Here you'll find a culinary paradise where you can indulge in local delicacies like tortellini, lasagna, and of course Bologna's namesake, Bolognese sauce. But Bologna is more than just a foodie's dream. It's also home to the oldest university in the Western world, and its rich history and culture are evident in its well-preserved medieval architecture. Next we head to Verona, the romantic city of Romeo and Juliet. This city is an architectural treasure, showcasing Roman ruins, medieval structures, and Renaissance palaces. Walk the ancient streets where Shakespeare's star-crossed lovers allegedly lived and experience the charm and romance that is Verona. From Verona we travel to Turin, nestled at the foot of the Alps. This city is a blend of old-world sophistication and contemporary innovation. Turin was the first capital of modern Italy, and its grandeur is still evident in its elegant squares, world-class museums, and royal residences. Yet it's also a hub for technology and design, making it a city that truly embraces the past while looking to the future. Our next stop is Genoa, a port city with a maritime history that stretches back centuries. Genoa's narrow alleyways and grand palazzos tell stories of its past as a powerful maritime republic. Today, it's a vibrant city where the old and new coexist in harmony, offering a unique blend of history and contemporary culture. Finally, we head south to Palermo, the capital of Sicily. Palermo is a city of contrasts, where bustling markets, Byzantine mosaics, Arab domes, and Norman palaces coexist. It's a sensory feast, from the vibrant colors and sounds of its markets, to the intoxicating aromas of its street food. From Bologna's food scene to Palermo's vibrant streets, Italy's diversity never ceases to amaze. As we near the end of our journey, we explore the hidden gems of Italy. First, we find ourselves in Matera, a city with a unique landscape characterized by ancient cave dwellings known as sassi. These homes, carved into the rocks, transport us back in time, offering a glimpse into a past era. Moving south, we arrive in Lecce, often referred to as the Florence of the South. Its rich, Baroque architectural monuments create a unique and captivating skyline that is a feast for the eyes. Next, we visit Alberobello, a charming town famous for its unique Trulli structures. These white, cone-roofed houses set amidst rolling hills create an enchanting fairy tale atmosphere. Our journey continues to Cinque Terre, a string of centuries-old seaside villages on the rugged Italian Riviera coastline. The terraced vineyards and colorful houses make it an unforgettable sight. Lastly, we explore the breathtaking Lake Como, a haven of tranquility surrounded by majestic mountains and opulent villas. Whether it's the ancient cave dwellings of Matera or the picturesque Lake Como, Italy has something for everyone. And there you have it, 25 must-visit places in Italy. We've journeyed through the timeless beauty of Rome, with its Colosseum and Pantheon, savored the romantic allure of Venice, and navigated the cliffside villages of Cinque Terre. We've explored the Renaissance splendors of Florence, the historic ruins of Pompeii, and the sun-kissed shores of Amalfi Coast. Our journey took us to the vineyards of Tuscany, the fashion-forward Milan, the Trulli houses of Alberobello, and the stunning beaches of Sardinia. We've stepped back in time in the ancient city of Matera, marveled at the Baroque architecture of Lecce, and wandered through the colorful streets of Burano. From the snowy peaks of the Dolomites to the volcanic island of Stromboli, we've discovered Italy in all its diversity and charm. Every place, a unique story, every city, a treasure trove of experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Globe Guide TV. Until next time, ciao. It's time.